Hi guys, and welcome back again to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. If you are new to the channel, you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, I said thank you. In today's video, I am making Fetri Toto. So let's start. I'll start by cutting my okra into two parts before putting them on the fire. This food is a local delicacy of the Voltarians. It is one of the fastest food you can prepare within a short minute, so please stay tuned. Over here is my okra, and I'm adding 1 tomato, add some water and put it on the fire. Then I will start with my pepper. I have habanero pepper, some ginger and garlic just to give it some extra taste. That is why I'm adding it, but you can choose not to add it. I will also add some onion and salt before grinding it. The okra and the tomatoes are ready. I'll take them off the fire, and I'm going to add my cooked tomatoes to my pepper and grind them together. So this Fetri Toto is one of the most popular food of the Ewes. They love and enjoyed it a lot because of the easy way of preparing this food within a short time. I'm now going to add my cooked okra to my pepper, and I will start pounding it. So this is where the name is coming from, Fetri Toto, which means pounded okra. I will just pound it until it is smooth for my liking. The okra is now smooth for my liking. This is how I want it. So I'm just adding a little bit of salt and mix everything together. So guys, the pounded okra is almost ready. I'm now adding the protein of my choice. I have some fried fish, smoked mackerel, and also fried shrimps. That is what I'm using. You can also use any protein of your choice for this okra sauce. I'm now going to heat my palm oil. I will also add some onions and also add fermented fish. Fry them together before pouring them into the okra sauce. Guys, I've added my fried palm oil to my pounded okra, and I'm mixing to make sure everything is well combined. I will also add some onions to the okra sauce. So fam, our pounded okra, aka Fetri Toto, is ready to be enjoyed. I prepared this in less than 20 minutes. I'm going to take mine with some akbala. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel for more recipes till I come your way again. See you in my next video.